Hi everyone! Today I want to show you a super comforting one-pot chicken recipe. The chicken turns really tender. The potatoes soak up all that rich sauce. Honestly, one bowl of rice is never enough for this. Start by cutting 3 chicken thighs into chunks. Season with a little white pepper, a bit of salt, and 1 spoon of oil. Mix well and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. While the chicken marinates, prepare the aromatics. Cut some ginger into slices. Roughly chop the garlic. Then cut a few scallions into sections. Set everything aside with 1 star anise. Next, cut the potato into chunks. Cut each mushroom into 4 pieces. Then slice the green, yellow, and red peppers. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. Now heat a little oil in a pan. Add the scallions, garlic, ginger, and a star anise. As soon as everything smells fragrant, add the chicken. Cook until the chicken starts to brown and smells amazing. Then pour in the sauce and give everything a quick stir. Add the mushrooms and potatoes, then mix everything together. Next, add about 500 milliliters of warm water. Cover and simmer on low heat for about 15 minutes. After that, add the peppers. Turn the heat up and let the sauce reduce for another 5 minutes. By the end, the sauce becomes thick and glossy. The chicken is super tender, and the whole kitchen smells incredible. Serve it with a big bowl of rice. Trust me, you're going to need it. And make sure to pour some extra sauce over the rice. Honestly, that's the best part. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and let's make delicious food simple.